What's up everyone, I'm Gone in 60. We have a new video today. It's for the Maverick. And I'm going to fix an issue that some people may not be liking. And that is this right here. Yep, tailgate falls down. It is not dampened at all. There is one available through Ford Parts. It is made by DZ. And this is everything that it comes with. There's a couple of let's see, you need a T50 Torx and a T30 Torx, and I believe a 5mm Allen wrench also. But it's a pretty quick, simple install. It goes on the driver's side right here. I will say I did remove, this is where the bottle opener went, the extra tie down and the bottle opener. Good news and bad news. Bad news is you have to remove it to install this. Good news is you got one right here. So there's, you're not going to lose your bottle openers, guys, so we're good on that. Now, unfortunately, there are no directions for me to show you because the directions are actually on a QR code. I just opened them up on my phone. It's pretty simple. It's probably like eight little steps to do. Okay, first step is just going to be to remove the cable right here. So we already did that. That's pretty easy. And then we're going to remove this bolt with the T50 driver. Alright, next we're going to mount the lower mounting plate. We're going to put this oval edge into the slot that you can see right here. Then once it's through the slot, we're going to go ahead and rotate it 90 degrees so it kind of locks in place, and then we're going to tighten the bolt. It's a 5mm hex bolt. Okay, so I couldn't really get a good angle on how this goes in, but the bottom bolt goes in through an oval slot in here, and then you turn it 90 degrees so you can lock it in there, and then you're able to tighten this Allen bolt. So this is the bottom plate, and this is the upper mounting plate, and we're almost done. And this is what I was trying to show you. So it goes into the oval slot right here, and then once you get it in there, you turn it 90 degrees so it's going straight up and down so it can't come back out, and then you tighten the Allen bolt. If that makes any sense. It's kind of a pain in the ass too. And next, all we do is we install the bottom end of the shock to the ball end, and this is going to be with the shaft, and then the top is the thicker part that goes up here to this ball end. So this is the final install. This is what it looks like. Nice and out of the way. Now you did have to remove the extra tie down right here that has a bottle opener built into it, because when you close it, I guess there's a clearance issue with this shock damper right here. So here's the moment of truth. Beautiful, beautiful, just what I wanted. And like I said, you have another tie down right here with the bottle opener at the bottom of it. So we are good, guys. Thanks for watching this quick little install video. I do have more Maverick content coming up. We have already reached 1,000 miles, so it's broken in. We're going to do some 0 to 60 times coming up soon. And we're going to do my first driving impressions. I've had it about 3 weeks now. Let you know if I'm still liking it, if I'm still loving it, if I'm hating it. And we'll go ahead and do that pretty soon. That's coming up next. Thanks for watching. I'm Gone in 60. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you soon.